So as I mentioned in the attendance, I am changing this review to be I don't want to say comprehensive, but for the SQL we've covered so far. So one of the things I'm having it do is 80% of the questions is going to come from the querying concept, so single table, and 20% from relating, so multiple table. And I've played with the prompt and I've actually tested it a couple times. So what I would say is when you're taking this quiz, you know, read carefully what they're asking you, because in this case it might be like what would go here based on the total number of packages in the database. And it's like, well, you haven't specified that, so what might you do? And this is probably not the best thing, but I'm going to show you anyway because I don't want you to be, but I would say remove the where. Okay. And then it might tell you, good, yeah, it's not needed in this case, right? Yeah, would you like to move on? Right, great attempt. And so I'd say next. So just be cognizant of that. I got a couple of those when I was taking it, and when I first saw that, I was like, that doesn't make sense. And that's why it's really important to read the prompt or the query question as clearly as, and take a moment to read it before you answer. And you can tell it to give you, if you feel like the questions are, or even have a conversation with it about what it's doing. And these things, this prompting process, is not science. It is by far anything like that. And the more I've learned about the LLMs, the more I understand why. But it is, I hope, still something that helps you practice writing queries in this case. All right, talk to you later.